Hey, buddy, what's going on? Hot day or what?
Yeah.
Hey, guess what we're doing today? We gotta take, not the small lawnmower, the big lawnmower, the real lawnmower, and we gotta replace a part for it. Look at this thing. Here, take this. Try to take it out of the bag. Let's take this out of the bag. Because we need
know how
it.
to take it out of the bag? It's just like this.
Oh, okay. Bring it here. Bring it here. Because we gotta. Okay, open this up. Close it here. Okay. Now this lawnmower, look at this. It's not working because we're missing the cord, because this cord goes all the way down here and it pulls this, and that's what makes this lawnmower work.
But what are we gonna do with the lawnmower?
Well, we're not gonna do anything with it. We're just gonna fix it and make sure it works, and then we can use it to cut this grass later, but we'll do that in another video. In this one, in this video, we're just gonna fix it, and maybe we're gonna fix your little lawnmower too. I think it has a little fix that it needs to do on there too. So, oh, you're already doing it. You're untangling the cord. Perfect. Good job.
I know how to untangle it. Don't worry.
Good job. Let's untangle this
But wait.
fully
I
tangled
know how to do
cord.
it.
And then we're gonna take it and fix our lawnmower there, because it's having some issues. We can't turn it on. I can do all this and pull it, but it's not gonna turn on because we're missing a little string
Dad.
here. Yes.
This has to go on there. This thing
Clips in
has
there.
to go there.
You are correct. That clips right in there. You're correct. So I think it's time for us to do that since you have it untangled.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect.
So which part did you say goes in there?
This.
Hmm?
Perfect.
This one. Okay. I think it's this piece.
You're wrong.
And this piece goes here. Just like that. Like that. Okay.
And then that goes in there. And then
Actually, I think we got it the opposite way. I think that both sides are the same.
this goes here.
Yes, you're correct. How'd you know that?
Because
Wow, you're like a lawnmower fixer-upper guy.
I'm good at fixing lawnmowers.
Okay, so you wanna put this in there?
It's easy.
Take that.
It's easy to put it in
You saw me put it in, right? Well, this way, like
that way.
like that.
Okay.
So
okay.
in. Yep, clips in, and then this goes here.
Yeah, that goes there.
That, you see that? Clips in.
Yeah.
Perfect.
But
And now
then
we're going to grab it, untangle it all the way to the front.
what do we do with this?
That goes in
Oh,
there.
we go in here.
Okay, see?
Like that.
Just like that.
Okay, do not pull it. Do not pull that thing.
Yeah. But I think we just gotta run it through this as well, so that the cord goes
That's
through
where the
here.
spider web is.
That's where the spider web is?
Yeah, there's
Okay,
a spider
so
web.
can you do me a favor? I don't even know if we can do this. How can we do this? Oh,
Yeah,
can you
is
take
this
this?
gonna pull?
Can you take this
Is
piece?
it turn it on?
No. Well, yeah. When you pull that, it'll turn it on. But for now,
But when you put the cord here, it will turn on.
that's right.
If you just
So
pull it.
can you pull this off? So let's lift this. Oops. Lift this.
And that's where the
Can you lift that off? Pull it up. Pull it up. Up. Up and away. Up some more. Yeah, it's coming off. Oh, you got it?
yeah.
Oh, why is it stuck? Let's see. It is kind of stuck. Maybe this is holding it in place. Hold on. We gotta hold this like that. There you go.
That's it.
There you go.
That's where all the grass goes.
Look how
in
disgusting that is. That's where all the grass goes. That's right. Okay, so now your lawnmower looks almost closer to my real lawnmower. Look at him. Because yours doesn't have a bag and mine doesn't have a bag either.
Yeah,
Check
Dad.
that out.
Dad,
Yeah.
this is a big wheel that's small. That's a big wheel. That's a small wheel.
That's your big boy.
It's matching. And this is the pulling thing. That's the pulling thing.
Oh, you have a pulling thing too?
Yeah.
What? I have a pulling thing too here.
And look, there's a button.
Nice. Okay, so let's do this. All we gotta do right now is take this plastic out. Here, can you do this? Help me do this.
Why do you
So we take
it?
one of the pieces out and we run the cable through that. So we gotta run this cable through it. What I could do,
It's easy.
oh, you could do that. So you split it, put it like that, and we clip it in here.
Why does it say no hands touching?
Where?
There.
Oh, because you
Sun.
shouldn't be touching with hands there because it could be hot or could be loud, and also it could be spinning, the blade underneath is spinning too, right? So now we take this little piece.
Oh, Dad,
Yes.
you know that
And
sometimes the blades are actually here. They're actually in the middle. The blades are in the middle.
well, look, you want to see where the blade is?
Yeah.
It's right underneath. Take a look.
Oh, I told you it's in the middle. It's in
Okay,
the
so you
middle.
wanna come hold this so I can show them where the blade is. I'll show them with the
Okay.
camera. So you hold it now. You wanna hold it there? Okay. And I will show them.
The blade's actually pretty big.
Whoa.
Big, it's huge.
Wow, that is a big blade. And it's kind of dirty. Lift yours up. Let's see if yours has a blade.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. It's just empty. Yes, because it's a toy. It doesn't really work. Maybe we can find a toy that actually has a plastic one, the blade that spins. That would be cool, eh?
Or we can find one that has this and has a blade under. When you pull this, you can actually cut the grass.
Well, then it's almost a real one, not really a toy one. Because I don't think plastic can cut grass. It has to be like metal. And so I think that's...
Yeah. It's actually metal.
That one's actually metal?
Yeah, it's actually a metal one.
You're right. Okay, so one last thing we gotta do to fix this is... Okay, put it down for a second.
Dad,
Yeah.
I think it says no hands touching allowed because you even can't touch the blade. It's sharp.
You're right.
So
It's
you
very
can-
sharp and dangerous, so you definitely don't want to be touching it. So,
Or you can't be touching that. That's hot. Well, when you turn it on, it's very hot.
I think you're very right about
Because
that.
the sound is going, and the sound is hot, and it makes that hot.
Yes, you're right. I'm gonna have to sneeze. Almost. There it is. Okay, you're right. That's why you never want to lift this, and you never want to look at the blade because it's very, very dangerous.
Can you
So-
lift the lawnmower up one more time?
You want to look at it one more time?
Yeah. Yeah, the blade's actually metal, and it doesn't look that. And there's grass under.
Yeah,
There's grass under the lawnmower.
you're right. You're right. Okay, so let's finish this job and then we're
And
done.
it says no hands touching that allowed.
Well, yeah, that gets hot too. That's
Yeah.
why.
Both of it gets hot. Because the sound comes out there and there.
Yes.
So
You're right.
both spots.
Okay, so let's do this. This is how this goes. We're gonna take this piece,
Yeah.
put it here. Now you're gonna have to hold this.
What?
Hold on. Hold this string up top here. And I'm just gonna put this here, like that for now. Okay, we're gonna run it there. Now, good. So what that goes is this piece clips into here, I believe. Something like that.
Is this actually a real dad's lawnmower or is
Yep.
it a kid?
No, it's a real dad's lawnmower. You're right.
Oh.
It's not really a kid's one, but I mean, kids can use it if they know how to use it safely. Right? So run that through.
Can I try?
Yep.
Okay.
Got it? Like that. Perfect. You see?
Okay.
Boom.
Yep. But that has to clip in.
gonna
It's not.
clip this piece in
It's not gonna
this
work
side.
already. It's not gonna work.
Not yet. Because you know what? You have to actually pull this.
And then go
pull
this,
that.
And then you have to keep holding this and just push it. I can push it already.
Let's see.
But, wait.
Almost. I think that grass is very tall. You know what? We were saving this grass. Almost. Almost. Let me help you. There you go.
No, I need that thing on, then I can push
Yes,
it.
but you know what?
Because that's blocking the
We're
grass.
gonna
I can't get it.
Yes. So what we're going to do is we're going to finish this job, make it run, and in the next video, we're going to cut this long, long grass. Come take a look how tall this grass is.
But I'm not going to do it. But I'm not going to cut the grass.
Well, look, the lawnmower, come on this side, almost disappears in the grass, how tall the grass is. That is pretty tall.
Yeah.
So in the next video, we're going to cut this grass. You're going to follow me with your little lawnmower, and I will do it with the big lawnmower. Let's do that.
Turn it on?
Yeah, but you're going to be behind me, so it won't be a big deal. Okay?
And I won't hear violence.
Yeah. All right, so we'll do that in the next video.
I'm not going to be too close.
Yep, that's perfect. Okay, so that's it for now. We are fixed it. We are ready to go for the next video and trim this grass, but that's it for now. Say bye. Bye bye. Say bye. Say bye. Hey. Say bye. See you guys. Wait. We're just gonna test it for the end. Let's see. We clip this in. It's all ready to go. I'm gonna pull this, and all we gotta do is pull this. Where you going? Where you going? Let's see if we could do it. Let's see if we could do it. Can we do it?